bit disappointed
These are very nice shaped pasties. These might be
we are rather disappointed that you know, they're going to allow mince. I mean, this is the sort of meat we use, and by allowing minced meat, you don't know what they're going to put in.
It just says meat.
They're going to use the Cornish label with inferior pasties that they're going to push into Europe. So, I'm collecting signatures from people who are actually quite irate. Cornish housewives, etc. You know? I've always cooked it.
Why would they do that?
Well, it's cheaper.
Big boys as well, isn't it? It's the big boys can monopolise, like Ginsters. They can make a, you know, they put a mash. We layer our pasties with our ingredients, but they just make this mash in the middle.
They mix it all up. And
they just put one like little dollop and then crimp it.
Yeah.
And they use lots of pastry so that they don't. So it's easy to crimp, you know.
Pasta should be stage seasoned.